community and that we cooperate with them, just like they did for us when we were looking for former Bamban Mayor Alice Go. Representative Roman also highlighted the Squad Committee, the mega panel that looked into the drug war and the extrajudicial killings under the administration of the former president. She said that the panel actually create evidence or gather more evidence.
Guys.
Of the victims of EJ case and the drug war, strengthen their case before the
win-win, bitch. Yes. Yes, gago ako, guys. Shut the fuck up. Period.
For the victims' families and as well as to
yes, bitch.
Lastly,
the bitch fucking deserve it.
The families of the victims of EJ case.
Period. Kinsa ni palihog. Duterte kulong.
The justice, although slow, are still turning, and if they do not anymore in local courts in the Philippines,
bitch, yes.
Because the ICC is an international body, and they will be impartial. They will come up with a decision that they hope will hold the president accountable.
If you fucking love the Dutertes, unfollow me now. I don't give a fuck.
House of Representatives, where a lot of opinions
have
been said about the arrest
I
of
told you.
Former President Rodrigo Duterte.
People fucking deserve. They get what they fucking deserve.
Page, sinasabi nga ni Page kanina na wala pang natatanggap na statements from congressmen.
Oh yeah. Fucking Bato right now is shitting his fucking pants. They're probably thinking of what the next script is. Probably for sure.
Kung saan ay niya ang ating OFW community.
Period!
Pagkatapos,
Marcos, susunod na rin kayo. Tanginan nyo. Akala nyo
to be exact, siya ay bulan ng Hong Kong flight, ng Pacific flight mula sa Hong Kong na CX-907. Sa kanyang
probably he's gonna cry. Exactly, girl. He's gonna cry, girl. He's gonna cry. Let the water works, mama.
Dating Pangulong Duterte dito sa Pilipinas, inihain ng prosecutor
nag-live ka pa.
ICC.
Kitty Duterte, kakita yung panic sa mukha ng nanay mo.
Laban sa sakatuhan or ang tinatawag natin.
Arrest the fucking bitch.
Statement mula sa PCO.
Girl, hey, how are you, Ovi? I'm fucking celebrating right now.
Siguro ng mga doktor ng gobyerno, sinigurado din na siya.
Girl, like, think about it. The family members who's been asking for justice is finally getting justice now. And the sad part here is,
na siya ng
and the sad part and the frustrating part that I've realized is that they didn't really get justice in their own fucking country, which fucking sucks. Okay, that sucks. Alright. That shit sucks.
Tanong, Sandy, ano ba ang magiging proseso?
They're starting already. Guys, hindi siya naka-neck brace, hindi siya naka-wheelchair, pero may ambulansya. Pasabog. We love that. We love that. We love that. Big props. Big props, mama. Big props.
Kasi Sandy, meron din mga nagsasabi
yes. Bitch fucking yes. Rentag pa more. Rentag pa more. Yes.
Ganun ang nangyari. Meron bang arrest warrant na nagmula sa mga local court? Kasi meron din nagsasabi kasi dapat galing sa local court ang arrest warrant, no?
Yes, Marcos next. Yes, akala nyo Marcos is ha.
Hindi sila naniniwala na naging legal.
Guys, ang saya ng, like, I swear, like, sobrang saya sa Twitter right now. Everybody's just rejoicing.
Sana ito'y pinakita sa kanya nung hiningi niya ito.
It just feels so good that, you know, ang importante kasi dito, guys, is makakuha ng justice yung mga tao na
ang kutob niya
the family members of those murdered victims of this quote-unquote war on drugs.
Itong document
Bitch
na natanggap
fucking
nila
deserved
this
it.
morning upon the arrival of the
Clown.
president. Ang nakikita lang daw dito, ito yung pangalan ng presidente and his personal details. So walang explicit term that this is an arrest warrant. Yun yung hindi malinaw at kailangan pang alamin o linawin na mga abogado before they
Period!
So, ito yung mga kailangan sagutin. Malalaman siguro natin mamaya.
Period po.
More reports come in.
Yeah, ang sinasabi naman ng mga nakapanayam natin ng mga abogado, andyan si ICC Assistant to Counsel, Attorney Cristina Conti, at ang UP Law Professor na si Professor Chu, no? Ang sinasabi din nila, hindi lahat mangyayari itong mga nakikita natin kung walang arrest warrant. Yun ang sigurado sila. Ngayon, kung walang arrest warrant, ito naman ay hayagang paglabag ng batas. Diba? So iyan ang...
Who's powerful now, bitch?
Nag-umpisa nga, pero nag-umpisa pa lang. Hindi pa tapos ang lahat. Dahil marami pang legal na question na kailangan sagutin. No? Yung mga question pa nga na hindi na legal, katulad ng bakit siya nandyan sa Villamor Air Base, hindi pa nga yan nasasagot. Tanghali na, maghahapon na, at wala pa rin kaliwanagan kung bakit nga nandiyan siya sa Villamor Air Base.
Because they're gonna fly him out immediately. Yeah, they're gonna fly him out.
Agad dalhin.
Once this bitch goes to fucking this bitch flies to Europe. Oh my god, yes. What power, mama? Why? What now, queen? Kitty Duterte is ka pa yung fucking bitch.
Abangan din at maybe even anticipate.
Oo, kasi meron din namang provision doon. Ang sinasabi nila, meron ding provisionary release na pwedeng hingin ang kung sino man ang naaresto para pansamantala siyang makalaya. So, yan ang inaantabayanan natin. Yan ang mga question na dapat nating sagutin. Go ahead, Sam.
Period.
Issue perhaps that they can look into is sinabi ni
Hi, Mama Flab. Hi, Mama. I miss you.
There could be a legal defense of the former president who didn't use
bitch, this is a fucking...
or something urgent.
Can we arrest Trump
be removed
next,
from
please?
that custodial facility? Health issue would be to
So I can go back to the US.
Before the president arrived, Senator Bongo
Period!
airport with medics and apparently doctors to check on former President Duterte as he is supposed to be scheduled for a medical checkup tomorrow.
Oh, wow!
Okay, so balikan natin Villamor.
The kid has a fucking test the next day, but they still killed him, so...
Para sa
What?
Detalya, Jackie, kumusta na?
What now? No, what now?
Sa may labas ng gate ng Villamor Air Base sa Gate 5 at marami ng supporters.
What now?
Dito.
Yeah, the fucking paid supporters to make things even more chaotic for no fucking reason.
Hindi kanibaya. Ito po ulit bilang siguro more than a dozen supporters are here outside the gate dito sa Gate 5 ng Villamor.
More than a dozen, because those are the only people who wanted to get paid 500 pesos. Ooh, you caught me spilling the tea.
Philip Salvador, Vic Rodriguez, at iba pang mga kaalyado na dating Pangulo. So,
Oh, Panelo, you're fucking next, bitch. If you guys think, girl.
Puro lang mga supporters. Ngayon, pinaalis yung mga supporters at ang pumalit ay yung may mga security forces na mga police na nakabantay na with full gear dito mismo sa gate, may Gate 5. At yung mga supporters ay nailipat naman doon sa may ilalim ng Skyway. At dito, sila, nagsasan pa rin sila. At marami pa rin mga police around the area dito sa may Villamor Airport.
Period!
May mga narinig tayong balita na posibleng dalhin din si dating Pangulong Duterte sa Veterans Hospital. Pero yun ay inaantabayan pa natin kung kung talagang yun yung mangyayari later. Pero ongoing ngayon, itong mga supporters rather, ay nag-speak sa kanilang small...
No one warns the weekend. No one warns the weekend. Good news!
So far,
She's there!
Yes, Jackie, sinasabi mo, you're describing actually a situation where they are increasing security lalo na dyan sa kinatatayon mo area. Is there any anticipation perhaps, or is there any indication na magkakaroon ng
Good
mamaya later in the
news!
day, lalo pat wala pang linaw
He's
kung ano ang masusunod na
dead!
mangyayari kay former President Duterte?
Good
Are they
news.
expecting more of the supporters to appear this
Ang tagal kasi nung kay
afternoon?
Inde. Right. Actually, we're waiting for that too. I don't really know.
The social media apps. Actually, kanina pa sila naka-live.
Actually, there's no progress for that, right?
And just to
What's the tea with
give you an
that?
idea, when we arrived here earlier this morning, there were just
Good
probably mga 5 or less than 10 supporters.
He's
But now, there are probably a dozen or 2 dozen
No one
supporters here. So,
mourns the
it's possible na
weekend.
dumagdag pa ang mga supporters nila dito. Ngayon na narinig na nila across the TV at sa social media.
And apparently there are videos of actual like OFWs protesting and screaming. Inde Sara Inde Sara impeaching na sa Hong Kong daw sila.
Yeah, that's the worry,
So-
Jackie, kasi it can easily spill over Andrews Avenue, lalo pat, daanan yan papuntang airport.
Yeah.
Anong security measures na nakikita mo ngayon na pinapatupad para matiyak na tuloy-tuloy lang din yung daling ng traffic sa area?
Maraming police dito. May nakita ko naka-vest ng HPG, Highway Patrol Group, ito traffic. Of course, meron din mga the other police, uniform police personnel na nakamalipot din. Iba-iba, meron sa Gate 5, meron din sa Gate 4, which is near doon sa may Newport World Resort. At sa may kalsada naman, may mga enforcers din naman na tumutulong sa pag-amando ng traffic. And nakikita mo
No
yung
one mourns the weekend.
isang truck na may mga pulis sa loob pa ng truck at dalawang truck, apparently,
Why is your husband sad about it? Get your fucking husband brains correct. Girl, that man is a fucking murderer. Blood all over his fucking hands and thinking he did it for the country. Bitch, no one fucking rejoices that shit. The heck are you saying?
Yeah, Jackie, I don't know kung may nakausap ka kanina.
Period.
or kinatawan.
Let's drink more water.
Rodrigo Duterte. Perhaps if you have, might you share with us kung ano yung kalagayan ngayon ng Pangulo?
Period.
Supposed to be itong facility kung saan siya ngayon nakapunta.
Actually, Stanley, lahat ng nakausap natin, like, for example, I talked to si Agnes.
Marcos, you're fucking next.
They
Just
weren't
want to say
allowed to
that.
enter the facility. I think even si Senator Bongo was not allowed
Bongo,
to enter the facility.
girl.
Villamor Air Base. Only, I think, the doctors.
Isn't this for his personal gain? Well, bitch, at least we're seeing progress. This shit is more than like. Can I like lower this fucking volume? Ito na lang yung isipin natin, guys, but at least there's like justice. Kahit konting justice and a little light for those family members that were affected by the EJK, right? Yun na lang yung isipin natin dito. And finally, like, mapaparusahan na rin siya. I'll do my thesis now by OV and Hub 5. I'm not gonna do your thesis. It's not by me. The fuck? And then on one side, and nandito naman yung ilang mga supporters na... So now, what you're gonna do when they fly him off to fucking Europe areas where your fucking Chinese government ain't gonna do shit.
Wala ka na binanggit sa study kung sino natin.
Ain't gonna do shit. Period.
Diba?
Get your fucking idols on check, mama. This is so fun. It's a good day. It's a good day for everybody. This is a win. This is the
Yeah,
fucking
what was he
Panalo can
saying? What was
fucking
Attorney
show.
Vic saying?
That old fucking
We
ooh.
were just, ako or Carmina, sila bigla nasa lumapit, pinakausap sila yung mga police. Pero no, of course, the police were just the police were just guarding the gate. So it's not that official.
So kasalukuyan ngayon, sino ang mga nakikita mong nandyan ng mga personalidad, Jackie?
Right now, I'm here in the
Yes.
Mga
Stream
mga
mayhem.
personalidad, Jackie.
right now, I'm here in the middle of a crowd. Personality, I think wala.
Titi Duterte, you can show.
Just to give you a context.
Fight.
Dito, this is under the heat of the sun. So yung iba yata pumasok muna ng mga kotse at mga sasakyan.
Oh, wow.
Talaga, the heat is lahat yung mga nakapayong, yung iba naghahanap ng shade under the skyway, under the tree, under kung may mga payong yung iba. So I think right now, wala akong nakikita so far. Earlier, sumakay si...
Where are the supporters? I thought you got the supporters. Ba't kayo nagtatago sa ilalim ng ano? Ba't kayo nagtatago sa ilalim ng shade, ng skyway?
Other friends and supporters also went into the park. Pero right now, puro supporters ang nakikita ko from where I'm standing right here below, dito sa skyway, right in front, across the gate 5, Carmina San.
Okay, maraming salamat ang ating kasamahan si Jackie Pascual na patuloy na kabantay dyan sa Gate 5
Period!
kung saan dinala si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte mula naman sa NAIA pagkatapos lumapag ng kanyang eroplano mula naman sa Hong Kong kanina umaga. Maraming salamat, Jackie Pascual. Alright, dito po tayo sa newsroom. Kasama niyo pa rin, Carmina Constantino.
At ako naman si Stanley Palisades.
Riz.
Tutuloy natin itong coverage na ito. One more hour hanggang magkaroon nga ng developments dun sa area na yon ngayon. Nasa
4 hours daw. 4
hours. Okay, so we will be there to cover that for you.
Ito po ang napapanood niyong continuing coverage. Sanib Puwersa po, sanib pinagkaisang lakas po ng ABS-CBN News Channel, ABS-CBN News. Napapanood niyo po kami sa YouTube channel ng ANC, ANC Prestige, ABS-CBN News, gayon din sa mga Facebook page ng mga ito. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakatutok. Stanley, historical na matatawag itong nangyari. Pangalawang dating Pangulo pa lamang na naaresto, no? Ang kauna-unahan na dating Pangulo, former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, at ito naman, for corruption charges, ito naman si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte para sa crimes against humanity, charges of crimes against humanity ng ICC. Pero katulad nga nung napapag-usapan natin kanina, no, Stanley, ang pananaw ng iba, ito na ay umpisa ng proseso laban sa dating Pangulo. Pero sabi naman din ng iba, ito ay simula ng mga legal na kwestiyon na kailangang masagot. Unang-una dyan, yung pagka-aresto mismo. Was it a legal arrest? Was there a warrant of arrest? Kasi yan ang sinasabi ng mga kakampi ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na hindi sila naniniwala na may warrant of arrest.
Lalo wala pang naipapakitang warrant of arrest nga simula kanina, no? So I think doon nang gagaling yung challenge itong Duterte camp, lalo na ng kanyang legal team, na questionin if everything was in order as far as this process is concerned. Itong warrant of arrest galing sa ICC at ang susunod na mga hakbang ngayon.
Proud Filipino!
What will happen? The next steps will be this process is going to take long or short.
Proud Filipino! Yes!
You know, simula pa lang ng processes and all the challenge that we may anticipate.
Proud Filipino behavior, mama.
Nakusap natin kanina si ICC Assistant to Counsel Attorney Cristina Conti na nagpahayag ng kanyang kasiyahan na maaari nang magsimula ang paglilitis ng dating Pangulo.
To Counsel Attorney Cristina Conti. Attorney, good afternoon.
Magandang hapon.
Attorney, siguro reaction po muna sa nangyari na pag-aresto kaninang umaga kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.
Period!
Sa wakas, after 8 years of
Bitch is so scared.
propaganda,
now we are finally...
Nasa Pinas ka ba, Naomi? Wala ako sa Philippines right now. Nasa LA ako po. Nasa LA po ako right now. It's around 6 in the afternoon.
Na marinigil sa inila at side niya.
Period! I love it when I say fake news and lies.
Itong nangyari pag-aresto, attorney, considering
I'm not in the Philippines right now.
Iba-iba
I'm in Hong Kong.
Mula sa iba't ibang
With Kitty Duterte.
Hindi kami nag-congresa sa punto na maaarento siya. Pero yung timing, paano, yun yung kami.
This is so fun. This is the fucking best. This is the ultimate fucking best fucking thing.
Sumayan na sila ang magkumpirma o sila ang magsabi na talagang warrant ito ng ICC.
This is fucking, this day is the fucking best. Oh my god. They fucking scared. They're so scared.
Alam niyo, Attorney Coty, no, matagal na tayo nag-uusap tungkol sa tinatawag noong mga panahon na yon na impending arrest as late as July of last year, no? Yan ang pinag-uusapan natin. Pero wala po talaga kayong alam sa pagka-aresto sa kanya ni Naomi.
May bumulong.
Oo.
May mga bumulong, kaya walang confirmation. Kaya nahirapan din kami dahil maski kami. Hanggang kagabi, sabi ko nga, sabi ko sa court, maghihintay pa kami kasi midnight, 6 p.m. sa kanila o pagsara ng court. Naghihintay pa rin ako, pero kung maghihintay ba kami ng announcement, walang sinasabi, pero ayun nga dun sa mga dati pa namin pinag-uusapan, ang sabi nila, chill lang kayo dahil ang kailangan naman umaksyon dito ay yung gobyerno ng Pilipinas o kung anumang police force. Kaya, the announcement can be made or will be made if there is a move or a motion to unseal the warrant. We did not ask for the unsealing of the warrant or kung ano man. Sabi namin, we need it to you kasi depende yan sa koordinasyon nyo sa local authorities kung paano ang pag-aresto. Dahil obviously, ito nga yung naging nakakakaka ng mga tao, posibleng pakakan yung warrant. Kaya nung pumunta ng Hong Kong. Apparently, nakatulong talaga na confidential yung warrant at hanggang kahululihan. Totoo ba? Hindi ba totoo? Ano may nangyari? Mag-isip na kayo, di ba? Hindi, sigurado ko, or hindi pa daw nakikita yung warrant.
Yung attorney, siguro, hindi naman tayo lahat sanay na may isang dating Pangulo inaaresto para sa crimes against humanity. Ano po ba yung, siguro para sa mga mas maintindihan po yung proseso, no? Ano po yung susunod na hakbang pagkatapos po dito? At masasagot niyo po ba yung tanong kung bakit lahat po ay nasa Villamor Airfield? Hindi po sa CAPCA, o iba pa pong law enforcement office or CAP dito sa Metro Manila.